Eden, mag-vlog ka nga. Mag-vlog ka nga. Sige na, hindi ka
TikTok.
na
Bye-bye.
mag-vlog ka. Ay, wag yan, Deli. Bilis, mag-vlog ka. Bilis na. Ilalagay kita sa YouTube. Bibigyan kitang channel pag nag-vlog ka.
Why does it seem like I already have one?
Ha?
Why does it seem like I already have one?
Bilis na, mag-vlog ka. Dati nagba-vlog ka eh. Chopstick. 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 Uy, si Gerald. Ay, wag yan, dati. Dati. Hmm? Hindi pa rin kita nabibilang pala nung media, ano mo. Yung, ano yun? Yung card na sinasabi mo. Sa cellphone. Yung memory card. Hindi kita nabibilihan. Di ba sabi mo papabili ka? Sa Walmart yun pag ano. Wala. Pangit. Ang daming pangit. Luma lahat. Yung Ip Man mo nga nandyan sa Netflix eh. 4 sabi mo, di ba? Ikaw nga yung binibideo ko eh, oh. Hi ka, hi.
Hi.
Hi. No, ganyan lang, ganyan lang. My name is Gerald.
I'm Mimi and I'm Dad.
My name is... Ganyan lang. Look. Ganyan, yan. Just like that. Oh, yeah, you talk. Hi, what's your name? Gerald, sabi mo. Gerald. How old are you? Huy, how old are you? My gosh, akin na nga. How old are you? Ay, ayaw mag-talk. Ay, si Jayden naman. Jayden, how old are you, Jayden?
5.
5 lang si Jayden? Ay, ka. How old are you, Gerald? 5 ka din? Ang laki mo naman. Ay, ang liit mo naman sa 5. Si Kuya malaki. What's your name? Hindi mo alam ang pangalan mo, Mi lang ang alam mo. What's your name? Gerald. Hindi mo alam pangalan mo, no? Hindi naman sin. Alam niya yan, mabait yan eh. Hindi niya alam pangalan niya eh. Gerald. Bye. Bye-bye. Dance mo na.
Baby,
magandang palabas mo sa akin.
When I'm playing games and become like really immersed in them, I kind of forget about what's around me, which I have people who are like, right now, I'm back to reality. My dream is to be a game developer, but in order to get there, I do need to expand my knowledge. Even when I play video games, I like to take down notes when I play them. I teach myself what makes this so appealing, so I can do it my own game. To develop a game on my own would be a really awesome opportunity. My name is Reina, and today I'm going to Microsoft to Shadow Game Design. As you can probably tell, we are in the pretend lobby of the title Forza Motorsport. Give you some insight into how we make games. Yeah. So actually, let's head in.
Nakita mo si Jaden. Ay, gulo mo naman. Ha? Saan? Siya naman talaga inutusan ko eh. Kasi, oo. Mas magaling utusan to kaysa si Jaden. Na, Jelal? Mas sumusunod.